how to fix macOS Finder not responding. So if your Finder is not responding for any type of reason that you might be facing, there are a couple of ways to fix it. First, we can try to force quit or relaunch the Finder, which can be done by using the shortcut Option, Command, and Escape on your macOS keyboard. So I repeat, Option, Command, Escape. And as and when you do that, you'll receive this pop-up that says to force quit applications. So I will select Finder over here. Then I can just click on this Relaunch tab. If that helps you solve the problem, perfectly fine. If it doesn't, go towards the Apple logo from the top left and just give your Mac a simple restart. You'll be surprised by how a simple restart is going to solve so many issues on your Mac. If it still doesn't work, go to your system settings and check if you have got any sort of software update for your macOS. And if you do, then do make sure to update it to the latest version and again restart it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.